What's up, oh you crazy box breaking, card collecting, football fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com. We're coming in 9 p.m. Eastern, 8 p.m. Central here in Wisconsin. Two breaks for you tonight, but first we have two prizes to give away. We'll give away a $10 promo code and a Jeremy Hellickson rookie auto dual patch. We'll do the drawing for the $10 promo code first. Here are the entries for that one. And we'll randomize it 5 times. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. And the winner is going to be Ben. Congratulations. And here are the entries for the Hellickson Auto Dual Patch. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. And the winner is Kurt. Congratulations, Kurt. Now for tonight's breaks, we'll start off with the Sterling. 32 names. Going to be one team per spot. We'll randomize it 5 times. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll copy the results, paste it against the list of teams in alphabetical order. And there's the box for tonight. We'll start with the box topper. For the Chiefs, Knile Davis, Blue Wave Rookie Refractor 3 color patch, 46 out of 171. Chiefs going to Angelo. Keenan Allen, Andrew Luck, and LaShawn McCoy. Rookie auto for the Panthers, Kenyon Barner. That one going to Brian S. And a rookie patch for the Eagles, Zach Ertz, 773 out of 1214. Going to Corbay. Knile Davis, Chris Harper, and DeAndre Hopkins. Rookie patch for the Bills, Marquise Goodwin, 794 out of 1214. Bills going to Adam L. And a redemption autograph for rookie relic for Niners running back Marcus Lattimore. Niners going to Corey. Moneyball, Aaron Dobson, and rookie Blue Wave Refractor for the Jags, Denard Robinson, 80 out of 99, going to Jeremy S. Rookie auto for the Eagles, Zach Ertz. Eagles going to Corbet. And rookie patch for the Chargers, Manti Te'o, 291 out of 1206, going to Dave. Le'Veon Bell, Mike Glennon, and Denard Robinson. For the Steelers, Le'Veon Bell, Blue Wave Refractor, rookie auto 2 color patch, 105 out of 125. Congratulations, Paul E. You're getting that beauty. And a rookie patch for the Chiefs, Niall Davis, 573 out of 1214. Chiefs going to Angelo. Jamal Charles, Matt Barkley, and Adrian Peterson. Rookie auto patch for the Broncos, Moneyball, 56 out of 156. Broncos going to Dave. And rookie patch for the Eagles, Matt Barkley, 304 out of 1206. Going to Corbet. And the last pack of the Sterling. Cam Newton, Tom Brady, and Theo Riddick. Rookie gold refractor for the Lions, number 33 out of 50. Going to Brian S. Rookie Blue Wave refractor auto for the Cardinals, Stephen Taylor, 75 out of 99. Cardinals going to Dave. And another one for you, Dave. Stephen Taylor, rookie gold refractor, 3 color patch, 3 out of 50. And that will do it for the Sterling. Up next, we have the 2013 Contenders. There's going to be 32 names, so 1 team per spot. We'll randomize it 5 times. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We'll copy the results. Paste that against a list of teams in alphabetical order. And here's the box. Going to be 24 packs, 5 cards per pack, with 5 autos. And here we go. Good luck, everybody. Pierre Garcon, Dez Bryant. First hit going to the Lions, Joseph Foria, rookie auto. Lions going to Joshua W. That one's going to be a short print variation. Congratulations, Darrelle Revis and Ray Rice. Jonathan Stewart, Carson Palmer. Rookie auto for the Bears, Michael Ford. Bears going to James N. That one on normal run, Jacoby Ford and Eddie Royal. Andre Johnson, Ben Jarvis, Green Ellis, Terrence Williams and Keenan Allen, Sam Bradford, Alex Smith, and the Kid Reporter. Danny Amendola, Rashard Mendenhall, Marcus Colston, Golden Tate, and LaShawn McCoy. Ryan Tannehill, Chris Johnson, Philip Rivers, and Antonio Gates. Frank Gore, Aaron Rodgers, and the Kid Reporter. Alfred Morris, Miles Austin, Russell Wilson, and Golden Tate. Russell Wilson, Michael Vick, and the Kid Reporter. Jake Locker, Justin Blackman. Rookie auto for the Jags, Matt Scott, numbered 36 out of 99. Jags going to Joshua W. And that one going to be a variation. Colin Kaepernick and Brandon Weeden. Stevie Johnson, Reggie Wayne, Troy Polamalu, Jared Cook, Jamal Charles, and the Kid Reporter. Steve Smith, Doug Martin, Ben Jarvis, Green Ellis, numbered 20 out of 99. Going to James N. Eric Decker, Chris Givens, and the Kid Reporter. Eli Manning, Matt Forte. Rookie auto for the Bills, Kiko Alonso. Bills going to Dave R. Congratulations. Ben Roethlisberger and Julio Jones. Bilal Powell, Mario Williams, Terrell Pryor, Greg Little, and Lamar Miller. Philip Rivers, Hakeem Nicks, Tyrann Mathieu, Greg Jennings, Chris Ivory, and the Kid Reporter. AJ Green, Tom Brady, Michael Leslie, Demarius Thomas, and Darren McFadden. Steve Smith, Doug Martin, Ezekiel Ansah, Jay Cutler, James Jones, and the Kid Reporter. Pierre Garcon, Des Bryant, Arian Foster, Dwayne Bowe, and Marshawn Lynch. Chad Haney, Joe Flacco, Kimbrel Tompkins, Matt Ryan, Navarro Bowman, and the Kid Reporter. Larry Fitzgerald, Drew Brees, Joe Flacco, Ryan Matthews, Sidney Rice, and the Kid Reporter. DeMarco Murray, Kenny Barrett, and Rookie Inc. redemption for Texans receiver DeAndre Hopkins. Very nice. Texans going to Robert R. Congratulations, Robert. Deshaun Jackson and Anquan Bolden. Maurice Jones-Drew, CJ Spiller, Chris Carter, Reggie Bush, Mark Ingram, and Kid Reporter. Stephen Ridley, Matt Schaub, and uncard rookie auto for the Saints, Kenny Stills. Saints going to Robert R. That one going to be a normal run. Looks like that's our 6th autograph in the box. Very nice. Mike Williams and Christian Ponder. Andrew Luck, Antonio Brown, Steven Jackson, Jordy Nelson, and Trent Richardson. Brandon Marshall, Cam Newton, Marquise Goodwin, Torrey Smith, Adrian Peterson, and the Kid Reporter. Vincent Jackson, RG3, Tony Romo, Matthew Stafford, and Wes Welker. Victor Cruz, Andy Dalton, Matt Barkley, and Tyler Wilson, Stephen Hill, Peyton Manning, and the Kid Reporter. That'll do it for the Sunday night breaks. We're back at it tomorrow. Take a look, grab a spot, and we'll see you tomorrow night.